Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to easily remove the plastic shroud on your 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid. This will be helpful for folks considering an upgrade to a HomeLink equipped rearview mirror or other dashcam accessories. This is going to be short and sweet, so let's just get into it. Here I have the factory equipped auto dimming mirror. In order to remove this, we'll first need to take off the plastic shroud. It is a tight squeeze, so it's important to have the right tools and be patient during this process. This is a two-piece shroud, and we'll start by removing the panel on the right side. There are two tabs that need to be unclipped, one located at the front and the other at the bottom of the shroud. To unclip this, I'm going to be using the following plastic trim removal tool. This one is perfect for something like this. I'm simply going to insert the tool within the gap to create separation and unclip the two tabs. The panel won't come off instantly because Honda makes these extremely snug, so you'll need to give it a little love by carefully pulling it away from the housing. Now, to better understand how these all are fastened, here's a close-up of all the connection points on the assembly. Once the shroud is off, we notice a connector port on the driver's side of the mirror. Go ahead and disconnect this connector by pushing in the tab and pulling it out of its housing. Your mirror is now disconnected and officially accessible for removal from the vehicle. All you have left to do is twist this mirror off and install your new HomeLink mirror. I don't have one of those, so I'll let this one chill, but I hope that you found this helpful if you're considering the upgrade on your 23 Honda Accord. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.